go ahead and press this aluminum tab back in, and you have successfully installed your 4-in-3 device module. Now we're ready to mount the last component of the system, your optical drive. To do so, we have our patented toolless design right here. The press of a button, you lock it, press of a button, you release it. So what we need to do is remove your 5.25 drive bay cover, get your optical drive, slide it in. Now that the optical drive is in place, you can press the button right here to lock it. As you can see, it will not go in or out anymore, and you can just close your side aluminum bolt. Now that all the hardware is mounted onto the chassis, we can move along to mount the cables. First off, we're going to start off with the front panel connectors. We have 2 USB ports, FireWire, front panel audio, which supports high definition and AC97. This 24 plus 20 pin connector, which powers on the world's first chassis to have a touch sensitive power on feature. We have your power switch, eSATA connector, and your HDD LED. Now that the front panel connectors are plugged in, we can move along to plug in the connectors from our Real Power Pro 850. We have our 24 pin connector, we have the Molex, the SATA connector, and the 8-pin CPU 12-volt connector. The excess wires that you see here, you can just move along to the side so you can plug these wires in first. The cables are plugged in, we can begin doing the cable management. The Cosmos case comes with these zip ties and these clips right here to help you cable manage your cables. And to do so, all the excess cables, I have routed some through the opening over here in the back of the motherboard tray, and these extra cables, I'm going to run them through the back. These are the cables that I routed through the back of the motherboard tray. What you need to do is acquire one of these clips, wrap it around. There's 2 little openings right here. You just slide the clip in it, pull it like that. Once they're tied together, there's a small adhesive tape in the back which you just peel off, and you're ready to place the clip along with the cables anywhere along this. Now we can move along with the cables inside the chassis. What we need to do is get 2 zip ties, stick them together like this to make sure it's long enough, and then get all the wires as much as possible. Get the zip tie, and then just zip tie them together. Once you do so, just cut off the excess like that. And continue doing so with the rest of the wires up here. We have finished the Cosmos S case. We have done basic cable management, mounted the motherboard, memory sticks, video card, power supply, hard drive, optical drive. We can move on to our touch sensitive future. As you can see on the top panel, you don't see any I/O connectors, but when you slide this cover backwards, you can see that all the connectors are revealed, and directly in front of that is the touch sensitive future. Now let's look at it in action. Simply press it, turns on your system. Press it again and leave it for 3 seconds, and it will shut down your system. Thank you everyone for watching Cooler Master's video installation guide on the Cosmos Sport. Stay tuned in the future to watch more product demonstrations on our website at coolermaster.com.